Hey guys, do you want to create a stunning slide presentation without wasting hours on PowerPoint? In this video, I will show you how to create professional slide decks using AI. In just a few clicks, whether you are a student, freelancer, or business owner, this will save you time and impress your audience. Let's dive in. Creating a great presentation used to take hours, but with AI, you can generate high quality slides with content, design, even images automatically. Type your topic, and if you have any generated topic using ChatGPT or other, so just use this kind of tools AI and it does heavy lifting. So here are the top 5 tools you can use for slide creation. The number 1 is one of my favorite, gamma.app. Number 2 is Tommy app, 3 Beautiful AI, and the 4 Canva Magic Design. And today's video are really special because I will present to you how to use Gamma app, how to create the full presentation with this help, these tools. It's completely free now. You can get some credits over here, so I will show you how much credit you want. Okay, so want to take to the next level. First of all you need to do is just sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, here you can see this is my free account, and once we first time when you signed up, you will get some credits, 400 credits. Okay, right now I have only 280 credits, so click on that. Here you can see also you can upgrade, and also you can get free credits. Like if you refer your friend, you can get 200 credits. Also you can invite your teammate, you will get 200 free credits. So as a student you can use these options. Okay, and if you are really enjoying this tool to use, then you can upgrade. Okay, no problem. When you signed up, you will see the dashboard like this way. Okay, so here you can see the grammar and its option like create new AI, new from blank, and also import. First of all, just click on create new. Okay, so once you click on create new, so it shows you that how would you like to get started. 3 options you will get: paste in text, generate, and import file or URL. Okay, so if you have plain text, okay, from your outline notes or existing content, so you can paste it over here. Also generate, that's very popular, because if you don't know how to create the script or something like that, just you know the topic, so you can use this generate option. Just one line prompt, boom, this will create full presentation. And the third one is import file or URL. So if you have docs, web pages, presentations already existing, and if you want to improve your presentation style, design, font style, okay, and it's look amazing, so this will help you a lot. Okay, so I'm going to use a paste in text. Okay, so let's open our ChatGPT. I've already this is my work, this is my project, and I'm going to copy this text. It's a huge text, so no problem, just copy from your ChatGPT or DeepSeek, whatever your existing text, just copy from here and click on paste in text. Here you can see type or paste, so paste all the text over here, boom. Scroll down and you will see what do you like to create with this content. You can create presentation, you can create web page, document, and social. So click on social, you will see the different page style like portrait style, square, stories. So if you want social, so definitely you can use. So let's click on document. You will see the number of pages options here: pageless, letter, A4 size, web pages. That's really popular like now. Right now web pages, people are creating web pages. And presentation that we are looking for, click on default or traditional tool. So I'm going to click on traditional, so as you want to create a presentation. Okay, all right, so let's click on continue. Okay, so configuring your prompt, and it will come up a new page where you will see the all the text content like generate, condense, okay, max text per card, detailed. That's mean you want detailed in this slider presentation. You can select your language over here. Okay, and also you can select card by card. Also you can select a free form. Okay, so I'm going to free form. It's good for me because as I tested over here. Okay, so it's time to generate, so click on continue. Okay, and once you click on continue, it will come up like selecting a theme. That's really important. That's really important because before pick a theme or before generate, definitely you should look up some themes that's really fantastic, which is perfect for your brand, which is perfect for your or businesses that you want. Also, if you're a student, you can select some optimal and decent color that really looks good. Okay, here you can see the different gamma dark, that's perfect. So I'm going to select, I think which one is good. Designs and colors will be changed immediately. So this is one. Also you scroll down, you'll find lots of template over here. Okay, and it's time to generate the theme. All right, so click on generate. That's it, guys. Just within few clicks and few steps, and it's time to grab a coffee or tea and just wait, and boom. And the really important, don't close this tab while generating this progress. Okay, don't close and don't move, just stay over here and just enjoy. So here you can see they are automatically creating step by step, and per slide they are giving some details, more details as we want. And here you can see that's amazing. And the left hand side bar you will see the progress. Number 1 slide is done, 2 done, 3, and working on 4. I think that goes to the 6 or 7. It's depend on your the script length, definitely. And once it's done, I will show you how we can download. That's fantastic, and I will show the final result, guys. Okay, so if you are first time watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this, and if you love this video, share this video and comment below and what kind of AI tools you are using, and do you really love this one, and have you tried this? So if you not, please try this gamma.app. That's amazing. Okay, so and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, you can see I think this one is 7, number page is 7. That's amazing. This is the end, guys. Okay, so all the text, all the content over here, so you can create your own language, no problem. This is the slide that where I can show you how we can make money using AI video on Pinterest from Amazon affiliate marketing. That's a free webinar I am arranging for my free student. That's why I am creating this slideshow. Alright, guys, so if you want to change something over here, so you can. How you can change something here? Like, let's see the script here or text, you want to make it bigger, like the font scale. Here you can see when you select wall, you will see the normal text. Click on that, you will find the large text, normal or heading 4, 3. That's really interesting, right? And you can see the text color. You can change the text color. You can make it bold. So click on bold. You can see it's bold. Also you can make it italic. That's mean okay. Also you can underline. That's amazing. So I'm not going to make it bold or italic. Okay, it's perfect. Also you can use different styles, like it's like a Microsoft Word or Google Doc format. Okay, so you can use this. Fantastic. Similarly, you can change all the text style, and the most important thing is that if you want to change the image over here, like this is the image over here, you can change the image. How we can change the image? So let's see. Here you can see it's a step number 4, AI video Pinterest upload system. Okay, so if you want to change the style, click on that, and here you can see the edit image. So you can edit image, and this is the prompt, guys. Uploading video Pinterest user interface with title, description, field, focus, user. And this is the theme, soft color, and this is the style over here. Okay, and this is the model. Also you can see that this gamma, they are already a collaborator, or they are suggesting this kind of images. So you can select this one, click on, here you can see, boom, it's changed over here. Alright, so it's time to download this slide or presentation. So click on three dot over here, okay, and you will see the export option. So click on export option, and once you clicked, you can see it's you can collaborate, also you can share, and also you can export, also you can embed it. Okay, that's amazing. And export you can download as PDF. So click on PDF, it's exporting. Also you can download as PNG, so click on PNG. Also you can download as Google Slide and PowerPoint. Alright, so let's open the PDF file. Also your PNG already exporting, our PDF is ready. So let's open it, and I'm going to show you the presenter mode. Okay, so let's click on three dot and presenter mode. Boom. So this is the slide number 1. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the update video. Okay guys, alright guys, so no more today. I will come back with new tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, see you in the next video.